Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make an orange into a candle. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is a fairly wide vase, an orange, a lighter, and this is orange scented essential oil. The first step is to fill your vase about halfway with water so there's room for the orange to float. Next, you want to cut your orange in half so that the part that connects to the stem is on the bottom. So it looks like this. The next step is to remove the fruit so that the core is still showing and the outer orange is intact. So it just looks like this, but you're gonna light that core on fire there. So you want your orange candle to smell like an orange. So we're using orange scented essential oil, and you're gonna fill this about a third with essential oil, so it looks like that. Now before you light your orange candle, you're gonna float it in your water, just like that. Isn't that cool? Your own floating orange candle. And then you're ready to light the tip. So there you have it. The only thing is you can't smell how sweet it is through the video, but it's literally got orange essential oil in the orange while it burns. Check that out. Isn't that cool? And this will burn for a long time. I love this demonstration for a couple reasons. First, it teaches capillary action, and second, it shows the Archimedes Principle. So even after a couple hours, that inner core is hardly burned at all because through capillary action, it's able to absorb some of the essential oil that's in the orange up through the inner core. And that's what's really burning. Not the inner core, but the oil that surrounds it. Secondly, the reason it floats is because of the Archimedes Principle. Half an orange can actually displace more water than the orange weighs, and that's why it's able to float. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.